Oh, well, hello, friends and fans of Rock and Roll Love Palace. Glad to see everybody here that's going to come here, move my crap, and get ready for a little music. Uh, Today, we will not only be using Gretchen, but my 5210 Marshall solid state. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Looking at the camera instead of up there. I'm still used to looking up there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I do not know what I'm going to call it now yet. I'll decide here momentarily when I upload. Who knows? I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed doing it. Sorry for being a few days late putting a new one out. Just things been going on. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, leave me some comments. If you're new here, consider subscribing. You do not have to turn on notifications, but every thumbs up and every subscription does help my little channel. But anyway, I appreciate everything and everyone. And oh, by the way, apparently there was some new subscribers, and for some reason YouTube does not tell me. Every once in a while it will in the notifications section. I do not know who you are, but I appreciate you for subscribing. I really mean that. Thank you, and thank all the rest of you for who has already subscribed. I appreciate that very much. Anyway, y'all try to have the best one you can, and I hope I can keep this old computer running until the next time. See you later.